there.
Daddy blink.
Oh, please. Jump. Careful.
Sorry ni Kuya.
Where are you? Oh. Here, come here, Daddy D. Here, get this Sub-Zero. Yeah,
The one that me.
L1. Circle. Go to this.
Wait.
Yeah. And then exchange it. Square. Yeah. Okay, now let's go.
May kalaban.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a glove, right?
Yeah. You use that to enemy, malakas yun eh.
Where you at?
Come here. I'll teach you how to kill.
I teach you how to kill.
Where you at?
Sit down, will you?
Like, come here, Daddy. Look at them.
Ano si Daddy? Wala na.
I'm lost.
Oh, someone teaching me. Help.
Oh! Galing yung Daddy, ah.
Okay, got it.
Get the last one.
Parang Tekken lang yan, di, ah.
Patay na.
Yan pa, yan. Sige.
Level 5.
Parang Tekken lang yun din, ah.
Where's that coming from?
The guards.
Oh, the guy.
The guards are here.
Ang galing.
You wanna... Oh no, we don't have time for this. Someone say, you wanna take it? I'll take it.
You can drop it, tas give mo kay Daddy, right?
Yeah. Assist you, assist you. Wait, what?
Daddy, wala ka ng, energy.
Come on.
Happen. Yan, mag-drive, di. Bumabaking ka.